Welcome to the Manitowoc Garage. Today we're going to talk about engine type selection on small stand-up National cranes. So to cover the calibration procedure, we're going to be using our simulator we have, and to give you a brief overview of the system and how it works, we have our electronic throttle pedal on the driver side and passenger side operator platform. This pedal transmits a millivolt signal to the HED OMS module, which then transmits a CAN message to the truck ECM and either increases or decreases RPM of the truck depending on how far we have the pedal pressed in crane mode. So for the module to communicate to the truck ECM, the proper engine type needs to be selected in the software per the engine type chart. So this little chart here is going to give you a breakdown of what the EEPROM needs to be set to depending on what model engine you have in your truck. So that being said, when you go through the procedure, if you do not have this information, you can just select a EEPROM number and press the throttle pedal and see if the engine responds. Once you get to a selection that the engine actually responds, then you can select that setting. So you'll see more on how to do all that once we go through the video on the setup procedure. So how the simulator relates to the crane, we have our OMS LED located on the driver and passenger side operator platform. We have our HED OMS module mounted on the frame of the crane, and we have our programming button. Our programming button is located on the driver side operator platform right above the override key switch. So to select engine type, the first thing we need to do is enter programming mode. To do this, we press and hold the programming button for 5 seconds until we hear a double chirp. Once in programming mode, the light is going to flash yellow, and then we'll either enter a flashing green or flashing red menu. To toggle between flashing red and flashing green, we simply press the programming button one time. The desired selection here is going to be a flashing green menu. So to toggle back to green, we press it one time. And then to select this menu, we press and hold the programming button for 3 seconds. Once we press it for 3 seconds, we will enter either a double flashing green or double flashing red. Again, to toggle between selections, we just press the programming button one time. The desired selection here is going to be a double flashing green. So to select this, again, we press and hold for 3 seconds. So after that, the light will flash green a couple times, and then we'll indicate the current engine type by the flashes of red. So here we have engine type 2. If that's the selection we want to keep, we can just exit programming mode. In this case, we want to change engine type, so what we do is we press and hold the programming button for 3 seconds. After that, we will either enter a triple flashing red or triple flashing green menu. To change engine type, the desired selection here is going to be a triple flashing green menu. Again, to toggle, you can just press the programming button one time to enter red or green. So we press one time to enter green, and then we press and hold the programming button for 3 seconds to select this option. After that, the light will begin to flash the current engine type. There we have 2 flashes indicating engine type 2. To go to engine type 3, we just simply press the programming button one time. Now we're in engine type 3. So in this case, we're going to set it to, let's say, engine type 4. So we press it one more time, and there we have selected engine type 4. To save this setting, we press the programming button for 3 seconds. After we do that, the light's going to turn solid green, yellow indicating that type has been set, and then we can exit programming mode by holding the programming button for 5 seconds. After the double chirp, the light will flash yellow, and then we'll go back to solid green and normal OMS operation. Thanks for checking into Manitowoc Garage. Be sure to tune back in for future videos.